Hello everybody, I'm Double MC, and welcome to Flames in the Flood. Yeah, I don't know. This looks like a fun, interesting game that I thought we would try. Oh, is that a dog? That's cool. Do not idle. Am I playing as a dog? I don't know. Ooh, that campfire is sleeping. That's weird. Or am I the campfire? Or am I in the campfire sleeping? Well, that's not good. Wow, this is a really long loading screen, guys. That's just a little... Oh my gosh, what if this isn't the loading screen? What if this is the darkness? Oh, here we go. Where? Oh, yeah. Is that me? Oh my god, what's wrong with my face? I think I'd rather be the dog. Oh, thank you. Oh, you found me a radio. What is it, dog? New goal. Radio signal. Oh. Cool. Is it not going to sit at fire to craft ash? Use fire. Sleep. Sit at fire. And I can craft an ash cake. What the hell is an ash cake? Cool, leave. Breathe. Player inventory. Open Scout's backpack to access items, craft supplies, and examine your condition. Okay, keep an eye on your Scout's health, hunger, thirst, temperature, and rest. So I'm going to have to... I'm gonna have to make sure I sleep, eat, and don't get too full. A fine home for a spell, but it's time to move on and see where this dog came from. Maybe there's someone else out there. Can I actually go inside? And what am I, like, hiding from? Or running from? Am I, like... The quick use menu provides instant access to keyed items held in your inventory. Items in the action slot into the quick use menu categorized by item. Cleaned this place out long ago, nothing left but dust. What is it? What the hell is that? Water is a key for wilderness survival. Use a jar to gather water from the rain, wells, puddles, and rivers. You may consume polluted water, but beware of consequences. Polluted water is purified by using a crafting water filter. Alright. No one is useless in this world who lighten the burden. Well, contains notes with tasks and help you survive, complete tasks. Why? What? Okay. Do I have a flashlight on the tip of that? Oh, I have a boat. Okay, rafting. I do not know much about gods, but I think that the river is a strong brown god, sullen, untamed, and inscrutable. The parameter shows your craft. Okay, steer and paddle harder as tags. I don't like the eyes over there, so we're not going. Oh, it's daytime. Where am I going? I truly think I might end up dying before I actually. Go. Oh no. Oh no. I didn't think that actually. Oh man. This is getting hard. Where am I going? How do I stop? Help! Oh no. Where do I go? Somebody, where do I go? Oh wait, there's actually places now? Ooh, a place. Ah. Oh man. I almost completely, like, destroyed my boat there. It's fine, I'll sleep for a couple hours. Get you over, Colonel. That's fine. gosh. I want to die of hunger. Nightcrawler. Is that supposed to be food? Oh. I can sleep in this? Alright, I'm gonna just sleep because I'm not sure. Exactly what I'm supposed to be doing. No torch held. Craft bow to use. No smoke bombs. I don't have. No paint held. Guess I'll wrap. Oh my god, is it gonna storm? The rain to the wild said, "You push and I'll help." They so smote the garden bed that the flowers actually knelt and laid long. Though not dead, I know how the flowers felt. As rain gets closer, seek shelter and wait for the past. If you get wet, use a shelter. Shelter or kindle a fire to dry off. Wait for the rain to pass before using a campfire. Rain will Man. Fire. Or that to craft anything. Oh, here we go. Why did it go to my inventory? Oh, I can make a torch. Here we go. I need feathers, line, flint, and steel knife. Bear hide boots. Ash cake. Or corn. I need a water filter. How do I get a water filter? I guess I have to keep looting. I'm not really sure what I'm doing, but... I need to somehow repair my bow. Make sure my dog's okay. Oh, there's ants. John Bohr kept his own colony, had his own options about things, and more facts presented to him. The more he'd dig, the deeper the was never right. How do I craft a fire? Campfire. I need tinder, flint. Guys, a fire! Use the fire. Let's sit. temperature is fine. Yeah, need some hunger. All good. Insulated boots. Nice jacket. Stone Kinnicky. That seems like good. I have raft frame. That also seems good. So, fix that. Is there something like I can? No. About my. I'm gonna get some. Why did that just happen? That looks so good right there. I want to. It sounds nice. Ooh, fire burned out after 3 hours. Alright, well, I do have corn I can consume. Fine, I have another berry if you're that hungry. Yes, thank you, Doug. Well, everybody, I think I'm going to end the episode here, so thank you already so much for watching. You should like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting me know you like this episode. And if you want to see more of this game, let me know. And I will see you guys in the next video.